Hi, my name is Mika, and this is
Isa. Wait, I don't know.
Today we have a package from the mail, but I'm really excited to show you what's in it. But first, I need to tell you that I got it from speedcubeshop.com.
And also, it's almost the completion of the WCA puzzles that we're getting.
Let's open it.
Whoa. This is a lot of... Oh, no, it's not.
Here is the Yushin Little Magic Mega Mix V2.
Here is the Yushin Little Magic 2x2.
And here is the YJRS 4x4. Or YJRS, yeah. Okay, now we're going to open them and tell you how we feel about them. You said, do you want to go first with the 2x2?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so this, I haven't opened one of these, so pretty weird for me.
I got you. You just, oh, you
Oh.
okay, well that works.
Yeah, that does.
There.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a nice 2x2.
Whoa, it is. Feels a bit over lubricated, like it feels like kind of wet here, but it's a, whoa. Whoa, this is such a nice cube.
I'm just going to do a quick beginner algorithm solve on it. Okay, I really like the performance of this cube, and it's got a nice feel. Let's get on to the next cube. Next, we're going to do the YJRS 4x4. We're going to, this box is much easier to open. This box has a nice texture on it.
Oh, these are instructions?
Nice 4x4. This one, it feels really sturdy, so I'm not scared of it popping like my other 4x4.
The 2x2 doesn't feel too sturdy, but it's okay. It's actually a very nice cube.
Okay. On to the Megaminx V2. The Yushin Little Magic Megaminx V2. This is the one that I'm most excited for.
Whoa.
It looks really nice. I've never had a Megaminx before.
Yeah.
Turns pretty good. Pretty good.
Like, I've only seen one, but like, I never turned one or felt one.
Excited to learn how to solve this. You
Hmm.
said, do you want to tell them your thoughts?
Huh. Oh, wow.
Nice cube, right?
It's weird to hold for me because like it's a new shape.
Okay. Can't wait to see you all next time in the next video. Don't forget to
Smash that subscribe button, but don't smash your phone. We got more videos. And hit that like button.
yeah. Bye.
Bye.